Well, it's been 1 year since I launched my platform. It's been an eventful year, and so I've decided to kick off the second year with 30 straight days of video releases. The videos will cover a broad array of topics to include updates with new data to a number of previously published videos, topics on dairy products, cooking classes, dietary supplement cautions, and more. If you're familiar with my videos, welcome back. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let others know about my content. I often get asked, why are you not a household name by now? Well, it's been just a year, but I need your help to spread the word. You can have the best product or service in the world, but if no one knows you exist, you're not going anywhere. For those who are new to my platform, welcome. Through my protocols and consultations, I've been able to help many people from around the globe change their lives for the better. If you start watching my videos, probably one of two things will happen. They will be overwhelming and you'll pass on what I have to offer, or you'll find the information fascinating, as it's like nothing else you've seen before. If you've been sick for some time and nobody else has been able to help you, then my perspective and the data that I present may resonate with you. I know the information can be a bit dense at times, but it's how I communicate to you that I am the microbiome expert, and my philosophy is based upon overwhelming science. Once the information begins to sink in, you'll understand why I say things that are different from most others. For example, I don't recommend probiotics, nor fermented foods, nor wacky diets. I aim to address the root cause of what's going on with you. Once you're content after you've seen enough of my videos and testimonials, I invite you to try something more intelligent. Although my platform is new, I'm not new to the complex world of the microbiome. As the former head of medical education for a microbiome firm, with my platform, I'm now able to reach out to many more people with information they can't find anywhere else. So find a topic that interests you and give it a try. What have you got to lose as compared to how much you have to gain?